Galing sa tulog. Ayun yung dagat, kaso hindi nakita. Charot. Galing sa tulog. Mamasyal. Same, my friend. Pa-duster lang. Mamasyal, naka-duster. Saka pa. Alam ba nilang duster to? Ang aura ito. Ang aura ito. Dami na naka-duster dito. OOTD of the day. And tomorrow morning. Walang damit na dala na masyado. You pay. Mga bagong yero kasi ngayon. Isla Bonito kasi. Watching the sunset in Boracay with mother.
Sunset in Boracay.
And
Sunset in Boracay. Lumubog na yung sun kasi natulog kami. Pero meron pa diba? Kanais.
Okay.
Ayaw.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dito na lang.
Dito na lang.
Magbayad ka rin ng libo.
Oo. Anli pa.
St. John has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have lived her wings and made a mine, roll eternity. Sometimes my tears are drowned, and I never let it get me down. So when negativity's around, I know someday you're gonna go turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't fight no more. There'll be no more wars and the children will be one day, one day, one day, oh, one day, one day.